Let's explore the code created by the Create React Native app. Package.json is a Node.js project definition file. It defines scripts, the commands used at the different stages of development. Scripts are called from the command line with yarn or npm. Remember how we started the app with yarn start? This is the start command from package.json that was used. Dependencies contain libraries used directly and shipped with the app. Dev dependencies are libraries used for app development, testing, or during builds. These are not bundled with the app. All dependencies and dev dependencies are downloaded to Node modules. You can see that it contains huge number of elements. This is because our dependencies have dependencies of their own. All of them are downloaded and stored on the same folder level. App.js is the entry point for our application. It defines the top-level component of the app. It already contains some sample code, but as our goal is to learn, we will remove all of it and start from scratch.